You know, you are not seeing reality. You are only seeing what your brain is showing you to keep you alive. Now, just think the world you are seeing, is it really like that, or your brain is creating it? In Indian philosophy, we say this world is Maya. The Maya does not mean fake, it means incomplete reality, which feels complete. Now, understand with a simple example, how do you recognize a person coming in front of you? You will say by face, but actually, what is happening? Your eyes are only capturing light in form of the wavelength. That signal goes to your brain and the brain matches it with memory. Then you feel, yes, I know this person. So reality is you are not seeing the person directly, you are seeing your brain's constructed version. That's why from far you feel this is that person. But when you go closer, it is someone else because your brain guessed, but it did not confirm. Now think how different being recognize the same person. You recognize using face and body form and body shape. A dog recognizes the same person using a smell. A snake senses body heat. A bat, chamgadar, understand using sound reflection. It's the same person but different realities. So your truth is not same for every being. Now observe your own behavior. In the beginning, you feel comfortable with people like you, same language, same style, same background, and unfamiliar people feel a little uncomfortable because your brain quickly marks known pattern as safe and unknown pattern as treated as uncertain. But as you understand them better, your brain starts marking them safe. Now, the main point, your brain is not designed to show you truth. Your brain is designed to keep you alive. At night, you hear a sudden sound. First reaction is fear. Later you realize it was nothing because brain assumes danger first. In garden, let's take another example. In garden, there are many flowers and one snake. But your attention goes to the snake first because your brain gives priority to danger. You take the same route every day, but one day you need to go to somewhere else, but without thinking, you turn into the same old route. After a few seconds, we realize I was not supposed to come this way today because your brain was running on habit, not conscious thinking. It saves energy, so it follows old patterns. Now think deeper. Suppose your senses becomes extremely powerful and you becomes like a superman. You start seeing atoms, you see bacteria in the air, you hear all possible frequencies. Now think, will you able to live normally like a normal people? Everything will feel overload. Every moment will disturb you. Life will become mentally exhausted. So, what does that brain do? It filters reality. It only shows what is necessary. So, you see hundreds of things every day, but you remember only what matters. Everything else your brain removes. Now, connect with the nature. Most living being on earth have eyes because here there is light and the environment is transparent. But in deep sea, where there is no light, creatures do not depend on vision. They use vibration, pressure, or chemical signals to communicate and to find the danger. So, perception depends on environment. So, we cannot survive in water, but fish live completely in it. So, reality is different for different beings. Now, connect everything. We see incomplete information, the brain completes it. Different being sense differently, and the brain focuses on survival. So, then, how can what you see be the final truth? The truth is, you are not seeing the world, you are seeing the brain's interpretation, the brain's perception. So, what changes? What changes? What differs for every being? That is Maya. What does not change? What is beyond all perception? That is the ultimate truth, what we call as a God. So, now one last question. In low light, when you see something curved on the ground, why does it look like a snake first? Because if it was actually a snake and you assumed it was a rope, your life could be in danger. So your brain shows a snake first to make you alert, and your brain is not showing the truth, it is protecting you. Thank you very much.